I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper for Thursday, September 9th. All right, we had a new dark pool level, not that big, 451.48, about 4 million. However, we are still below these guys over here, recent levels. So that is bearish for the SPY. We did come down this morning, and you can see that we tagged the 20 EMA and probably the 20 simple moving average. We talked about this yesterday, remember? First we tagged the 15, then this guy. So the next one is this guy right over here, the 30 simple moving average. So we are going to be bullish above 451.75 if we can break above the 4 and the 8 EMA right here on the daily chart. It's a brick wall. Where we're going to be bearish below 449. All right, those are key levels to watch. Let's head on over to the IWM. All right, we have resistance up ahead, by the way. This peanut butter and jelly on the 5-minute chart. Yeah, major resistance. Bullish only above 225, bear below 222 for the IWM. No new levels, but we are still below this massive guy right here, 229.81. In fact, we tested it a couple days ago, print pong at its best, and they're still selling. So let's head on over to the QQ. Oh, so today, yeah, bullish above 225, bear below 222. Today, we're going to go to the QQQs. And we did have a new level, 382.13. We are going to be bullish above that, 382.75. And bear below 379.50. Yeah, the Qs are definitely the strongest out of the three indexes. They did lose it a little bit yesterday. Came down to that 8 EMA and bounced off of it. But keep in mind, they are definitely the strongest. So let's go to the futures. Head on over to the E-minis. I did a special presentation yesterday on how we use them to trade in our trading pit. If you missed it live, go ahead into the room drive and download that. It'll be there until the weekend. All right, E-minis, bullish above 45.10, bear below 44.88, and you can see we tagged that 30 simple moving average this morning. And you know, these computers are loaded to buy when we come down to them and loaded to sell when we go up to them. So if we do go down there again, less buyers, we could see a swift move to the downside. So just watch those levels carefully. NASDAQ futures, bull above 15.675 and bear below 15.550. Let's head on over to the oil pit. See what we got going on. What is oil doing? I mean, oil's been so wish-washy. It's been really hard. But I believe it's going to make a move soon. A little bit of patience. So we did go above the pivot. Now we're coming down to test it. Today we're going to be bullish above 69.80, above that Camarilla. And bear below 68.80 below the pivot. But wow, look at this big move it just had. All right, let's head on over to the gold futures. Are those guys? I know there's a lot of Fed news, ECB news coming out this morning, so that could definitely move gold, oil, the dollar, the market. All right, so gold came up too, but it doesn't matter. The news, you know, may move it, but it always gets stopped on these pivots. See how we came up to this R1 level and hit a brick wall. So that's why I'm bullish above that today, 1803. Bear below 1792 for gold futures. Let's head on over to Bitcoin. Did that get splashed around? Not so much so, actually. Bullish above 48,000 and bear below 45,000 for Bitcoin futures. Let's head on over to individual stocks. All right, we're going to start with NEO. Thank you, Paul, for mapping that one out for me. Bullish above 38. And we are going, yeah, but be careful. Yeah, if you go in above 38, just want to show you Yeah, we kind of have these peanut butter and jelly. This is going to be resistance right here. Now, it will move up slightly when the stock moves up, so wherever that is, get out. All right, that would be your target, at least your first target. If we go above it, new trade. Bear below 37.20. Okay, on Neo. The bear below is a much easier trade. ANY. Sphere 3D. Nice wide open to the upside. Yeah, had a beautiful retracement, and now looks like it might want to rev up its engines. Bullish above 720. Bear below 650 if it does turn down again. Apple, we're going to be bullish above 156 today. And we're going to be bearish below 152.80. All right, let's head on over to Macy's. What's going on? What's on sale at Macy's? $22.25. We're going to be bullish above. Yeah, it's got unusual volume this morning, which is why it made the list, which tells me usually it's going to have a move. Bear below 20.75 for Macy's. All right, I put AMC on the board today. We are going to be bullish above 48.50. Right now, it's hugging the 4 EMA on the daily chart. Yeah, let's see if it bounces up, or if it does move down, we're going to be bearish below 45, and that is a retracement trade down to the 8 EMA and possibly the 15 EMA. Keep in mind, 47.13. That is a really big dark pool level. We've been testing that for a couple days now, so we'll see which way she wants to go. Let's go to Baba. All right, Baba, rounded top right there, and looks like she's moving down. We're going to be bear below 165. However, starts to move up, 167.50. There is a retrace right here to this peanut butter and jelly for the day trade. Remember, these are all day trades. Swing trading is a totally different setup. Okay, so don't confuse them. All right, bullish above 25 for SPRT. Guess what? We just tested it for the first time today. Pullback. So the second test, if volume comes in, that would be your perfect entry. The second time around rule. I'll talk about that in my book, Dark Pool Secrets. Bear below 23.50. Let's go to Delta. All right, Delta numbers came out. Delta, we are in between two very big dark pool levels, by the way. 38.90, which we're above, but we are below 41.22. Yesterday, we had like one major print all day long, and that was American Airlines. 1 million. Remember, I was talking about that in the Java Pit afternoon meeting, how bizarre that was. It just stood out at $19.22. Well, we did have those numbers that came out today on all the airlines. And American Airlines is below. I just didn't love the day trade. There were a lot of pivots in the way. But Delta, the day trade was much cleaner. So bullish above 40.20 and bear below 39.19. I will just put up American Airlines. I would watch, and look how we just tagged the dark pool level from yesterday and peanut butter and jelly resistance right there. So yeah, if we stay below 19.22, that is bearish for American Airlines. All right, there you have it. Those are your whispers for Thursday, September 9th. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.